Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome to today's vlog. It is Saturday, December 16th. It's like 1:30, like it's really late in the day. Is it? Yeah, it's 1:43, awkward. So today is the first Saturday in so long that I get to do whatever I want. I have one more final left before my semester is done. I'm a senior in high school, and so I have Monday and Tuesday are half days, and I technically should have like a bunch of finals, but it's senior year so I don't. So I'm out here and I'm about to get ready. Can you tell I look like I totally need to shower? It's fine, but I'm in a hurry, so I'm gonna put in some dry shampoo. Grab my purse, and I'm gonna head out with my mom. So I don't know if I've mentioned it on this channel yet or not, but ever since my birthday back in November, I've kind of made a conscious effort to start wearing a lot lighter of makeup. I love makeup, don't get me wrong, but I just was really unhappy with how my skin was faring this year. It just seemed like a lot worse than usual, like acne wise, but right now I think it looks like my skin right now is like clear, and it's very rare for that to happen. So today I just put on some light makeup. I'm going out with my mom today to pick up some Christmas gifts I've kind of been putting off buying. I need to study for my biology final at some point today, at least half an hour if not longer. I have to decorate my Christmas tree. Wait, can you see that? Do you see that side tree? It's not even, I have not even completed like pulling the branches. Like what am I doing? Well, it'll be fine, we'll fix it. And some Christmas cheer needs to start happening. See, this, like, nothing Christmas is going on. So we're gonna decorate, shop, study. Okay, so before we go any further with this vlog, I'll through the day just because. So I am wearing these new jeans I got from Old Navy, and they have rips in them. If you haven't noticed, I've started wearing pants with rips in them this year. I think it's just like, it's happening. Maybe I've gone over the edge, maybe I'm more trendy. Let me know in the comments. But this is my grandpa's sweatshirt, and I love it a lot because it's a UT sweatshirt. Got a t-shirt on under it, some Kendra Scott Apple Watches on this wrist, my other bracelet. Does that register? Never mind, I've got jewelry on. I am barefoot right now because I don't know what I'm wearing. It's kind of sprinkling outside, so I don't know, like it's one of those where I'm like, should I dress for the rain? Should I dress for the rainy, like this weather doesn't happen very much, so when it does, I'm like, what do you wear? So I'm comfortable and happy and ready for a good time. I don't know what shoes I'm wearing, but I'm just gonna put on something comfortable and then I'll be ready when you get here. I'm brushing my teeth now.
Sounds good. See you in a little bit.
Okay, love you.
Bye.
Bye. So I just stepped outside to see if my outfit was appropriate for the weather, and it totally is. It's sprinkling. Can you tell? You so can't see, but it's just a little dreary. You can kind of tell though that it's not happy and sunny. I threw on a hat, got my sweatshirt, I grabbed my purse, and I'm ready to go. I think we're gonna go visit my aunt, maybe everything's up in the air. We're just out for a good time, some Christmas shopping and some fun.
Sorry for whoever gets you next year.
This meal.
Want to go to Old Navy, and I really don't want to go to Old Navy.
Okay, this is my favorite meal. So it's several hours later and I'm home. I didn't vlog a ton of the shopping because I was going places and getting gifts for people, and I was like, it'd be kind of awkward if they watched this video and knew what they were getting. And also it was raining, so that wasn't happening. So I'm home now, it's 8 o'clock, and I thought tonight would be the perfect night to make some Christmas cookies. These are my favorite. Okay, but real talk, like those are fun with pictures. These I feel like are the best when they're warm with the chocolate chip. So I'm making cookies, and I need to study for my last final, so I've got my computer, so I'm about to just be doing some stuff online, doing some baking if you can call it that when it comes from a box. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so cookies have been baked. I just made 48 cookies and I probably had at least 8 of them. They were very yummy. I haven't put them away yet, so maybe my parents can steal some if they want. But baking was fun. I was hanging out in the kitchen going over some of my bio stuff. But so now it is a little after 9 and I have got to get some decorations on this tree. Decorating on this tree has to happen right now. So I'm gonna start by putting some lights on. I think I have some red garland I may or may not use. And then got random ornaments. Basically, I also have 1 episode left in Freaks and Geeks and I'm really trying to finish it off. If you've been watching my channel, you know I've been watching that like 5 ever, but I stopped in the middle of it. So I'm about to finish it. It's an exciting night, so I think I'll do a little before and after. I guess you've seen before, there's nothing. So I'll show you the after. It is 11 o'clock. I am exhausted. I'm probably about to pass out. A little quick backstory. I love decorating Christmas trees, but I feel like the part where you have to put the lights on is the most frustrating and like just like the most time consuming aspect, at least, or maybe it's the most like challenging because you gotta get, if you don't get that right, like the rest is just not good. So I put the lights on after like 8 years of doing it. And then I put on some red stuff beads that I've never done before. And honestly, quite honestly, this is not my best work, but I do have to say it's 11 o'clock at night, so like not much more is gonna happen, but I think I'll make it better in the morning. So here, I'll let you see it.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
So this is the tree on top. I've got a little candy cane bow. And so if you'll notice, I kind of went with a gold and somewhat silver theme. A lot of years I put tinsel all over it, but I haven't done that yet because I'm kind of going for more of an understated look. And I know this doesn't seem understated at all, but kind of is compared to previous years. A Jessica J, a little pup. Well, so I have a couple randoms. Talking, snowflake, and then the rest are basic. And then my little tree skirt is supposed to look like snow. So guys, it is time for me to floss, brush my teeth, and go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this doll, be sure to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!